So it is April 18th at approximately 27 minutes after 10 in the morning. And,
We're about to have a smoke before we leave. We've had a lot to smoke.
alright, so what day was it that we made it to the truck stop?
You're 2 days at the truck stop. Today's 17th?
18th.
18th. So the 15th? 15 at the truck stop?
We bargained with a French lady to get a part bag of native cigarettes for $5. There were about 53
At least?
53 cigarettes for $5. And the next day we were reined in, so we smoked a lot. And it's day 18, and I really don't want to tell you how many are left in the bag, but there aren't many. This is day 17. We checked into a motel
Who gave us a smoking room?
without being asked for. They didn't even ask us if we wanted smoking.
Yeah.
They just
So
saw it
it's
in our eyes.
kind of their fault?
It is their fault.
It
I
is
blame
their
them
fault.
entirely.
Okay. Alright. Just whoever. Okay.
But we've smoked a lot.
Yeah. A lot.
But the natives are almost gone, and that's good news. That's good news.
So we're just about to set up tent and let the wind unfold our tarp, and it ripped all the way across here. By the end of this whole thing is going to be one big square of Gorilla Tape. Oh yeah.
So this is our second day walking along the highway, the 417. We're on our way to Montreal, and I have a bit of a fucking rant. Beep! People who honk at hitchhikers or people walking down the side of the road, especially in the rain. Come on, it's beeping raining outside. For sake. Alright? It's raining outside. It's cold. We're walking. You don't need to honk. You don't even need to pull over. You don't even need to acknowledge that you've seen us. But don't honk, alright? It's terrible. It's terrible. Honking. Like, what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Like, you're honking your horn. I'm very angry.
I can tell.
What are you trying to say by honking your horn? Like, keep up the good work. Keep on trucking. Thank you. Thank you for your support.
But it's raining.
It's raining. It's raining.
And snowing yesterday.
Raining and snowing. Snowing yesterday. People hung their horns. So here's the thing. If you ever pass somebody walking down the fucking highway and it's raining and you're not going to pick them up, don't honk. Because they don't appreciate it at all.
So it's dinner time.
Alright. Welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Phil Outdoors.
Tonight we are specializing in the soup variety of Under the Overpass.
It's a pretty flash spot. I'm not gonna lie. Tell your friends.
So we have some cream of potato soup. We use some protein powder and some dried veggies.
And roasted garlic and pepper spice.
And some boiled water from the nice lady
It
at
better fucking be boiled.
Kay's Country Inn, where we stayed last night. What's the verdict? Is it boiled?
I don't know. She had it open for an awful long time. Oh, woman.
Woman.
Woman, what the hell? What the hell, woman?
This is how you cook with Phil.
Goddamn Cruella de Vil looking woman. Jesus Christ.
You're in a grump today.
Grump.
Get still laughing.
This looks good.
Does look good.
Get me out of my crowd. And there's enough water for breakfast.
Ooh.
It's still warm.
Kinda warm.
I'll sleep with it at my feet.
Phil has just added blueberries to soup. Blueberries to soup.
And trail mix, pistachios and various covered almonds.
Blueberries.
Pistachios. Yeah.
To cream of potato.
It's actually really good.